Ubah siau bahalang dhar ubah menteri jong sarkar jela ubah pe ketenat penroisor mentang singi ulah lej ban Plie yo Mawnongrim yo balabu nak benta benang Pynheh susu ia kan ya yo kebadan Laitumkhrah kebalong nak benta ke Jingpynmang jong ki pai ba nong shong yo bat kum juru ki pai ba ki ba wan thit wan siu Haka ne yo lai don ru Dr. Amprin lengdo ibide MLA kathan ki officer nak ketenat urban affair ki nong tre jong ke Shillong municipal board bat ki wei
Thank you so much, sir, for your
Uneu menteri hab Jingpynmang hadin ke Jingilang ulai thu ba ke Jingpynmang ya kene ka yo ka longru kum shi benta bansa Jingpynmang ya ke jingdap basan posnem jong ka jingyo ya ke jela ke Bapura kador ka Pynheh na ka benta bantai ya kene ka yo ka long hadu ar phra Klur phra pho saulak henru pho ar hajar chispa lai phundai tengka ya ka bala khmi lenti ban pendep no hapo ki ar snem nadu ka tarik ka Pynheh ban chena kata nadu ka ar tarik ubanai Disember ar hajar ar pho wei.
Yet to shift to the temporary office. When this thing is done, so we'll start shifting.
So they are yet to shift.
Yet to shift.
What are the problem?
No problem. It's a matter of time. And the problem, as per people say, there's no problem. But the only thing that yes is our own people. Everything will take on board. That is very important. Because when everything is okay, so we'll shift in such a manner that nobody will hurt. That is 28 crore, 80 lakh approximately. And the time of completion will be 3 years. If everything is well, that is the time of completion.
What are the other projects in the pipeline under Smart City?
Yeah, this is one of these. One is this, the one on Polo. And ICCC tender has been awarded. And the research harvester has been awarded. All the projects is under progress, under Smart City.
The Laitumkhrah market project, what is the mode of execution? Please.
The mode of execution is Smart City. Smart City. They are the implementing agency.
What about the contractors here?
Yeah, he's Bak Sokme, Colin. Bak Colin is Mr. Colin Star Sokme is the contractor.
Can you tell us a little more about what are the features of this?
The feature is that the building was G+4. So maybe it's approximately it will be around 300 shop after completion. The recent one is existing, old one is only 140. And all the old shopkeepers will be accommodated after the completion of the things. And the building was G+4, and the area is approximately 90,000 square feet plus minus on the construction area. Parking, it seems 100 plus provision.
Can you tell something more about the Smart City project? There was a review recently.
That is number one is this. Number two is Polo Market, and number three is ICCC, that integrated command control system, and there's the rain harvested. And now another one more project is yet to come. This parking lots is on the pipeline. That is the present status of the Smart City project as of now.
What about the matching grant that state government has to
50-50. 50 from the states, 50 from the central.
So will you be able to
700 crore. 700 crore, 350.
For all the projects?
Presently, that is the amount.
How many projects are currently being?
So there is a number of projects. The exact figure is not with me, but there's a lot of projects, but maybe 10 plus big projects. 10 plus.
Because of the financial thing, whether we can sustain?
No, we'll be able. No problem in finance. We'll be able. That is not the issue. Even till today, no payment is left. As per law, we made the payment. All
I have already initiated these 26 little shops for entrepreneurs to help build up the compromised livelihoods because of COVID and other reasons. So these are the kinds of things which, I am so grateful that as an MLA I have been part and parcel of that think tank, of that planning. And it is definitely going to be very important for the MLA of the constituency when such a big project initiates to be part of the thinking process. Now, if you expect the MLA to be in another place in governance and the government in another place in governance, there's going to be a lot of confusion. So as an MLA, I feel that we are so grateful that this has finally started. We are very, very grateful also that these 24 months are again going to be very crucial. We hope that again there will be no derailment of progressive work in this project. It was already conceived sometime in 16, 17, and then because of all the politics, because of the COVID, there were all these delays. But the next 24 months are very crucial for this project because literally speaking, this project is the engine of growth for compromised livelihoods, and the people of Laitumkhrah will be very, very happy to be beneficiaries of such a big scheme.